At De La Salle, we're held accountable for a very high standard, preparing our young people for college, career, and life. So how do we know if our students are learning? How do we know if our students are moving forward on that path to prepare them for success in college, success in a career, and ultimately success in life, just not here on earth, but in life beyond? The best of the old is expressed in the core LaSallian values of a LaSallian Catholic school, part of a 330-year tradition that we are proud to be part of here at De La Salle High School. We're named after the founder, John Baptist De La Salle, a saint and frankly, a genius in the terms of his approach to education and his approach to educating young people through schools and new classroom management practices. Some of those practices we still use today. But let's think about it. We still talk about the presence of God here on our campus and all the work we do. We still proclaim the values of the Gospels of Jesus Christ. We still seek to be an inclusive community, caring and respectful for everyone who's part of our family. We still seek to serve the poor, seek to serve those who are less fortunate than us. And ultimately, we do that in the context of providing the highest quality education available for our students. Those values have been part of this school since its founding in 1949. Those never need to change. And my promise to families, the promise that we as a faculty make to every single family here, is that that will always be a part of our mission here, always be a part of our presence here in the classrooms. Those things should never change.